Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So, if you can tell from the title down below, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. I got this here from 5+ here on Amazon. So, I want to do a review, tell you guys all about it. We doing this review together because, like I said, it's an unboxing video. So, stay tuned. Keep on watching. And my social media, I'm going to leave it all down below. Follow me on the gram, follow me on Snap, follow me on Twitter, all that good stuff. And let's get right into this video. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've been here. I know I've been busy with school, caught up, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to do an unboxing video. I got this here from this company on Amazon, whatever. So I'm basically gonna pop it open. And we're gonna see what time it is. Let's go with this hair. So, what y'all been up to though? Like, you know, comment down below. Tell me what y'all been doing. I know I've been MIA, not ready. I've just been really busy with school. About to graduate soon. Yes. So, this is the packaging it came in. This white box. Pretty plain, but that's fine as long as it came packaged. But I don't like that. It's kind of messed up here. It might be from shipping. I'm gonna assume it's shipping. Hopefully it's shipping. Pretty sure they ain't packing like this. But this is the box. It's 5+ right in the front. So this comes with a wig cap. I actually don't use these. I don't find the need to. I'm actually bald underneath this, so I don't wear a wig cap. Unless it's the wig cap that you use to, you know, melt your lace or not. With a cute little bow. This is so cute. Like, I'm definitely going to be using this. And this is the unit. So, it comes wrapped around this cardboard right here to keep it nice and secure in the box. And it also comes with a net to keep it more secure and neat and everything. It has a tag on it. It does have the instructions. So the tag is 5+. And it has instructions on how to take care of the hair. Comes with the paper inside to keep it all together. And this is the wig. It's actually really cute. I do have to bleach the knots, but I actually like this for a wig that I can literally throw room on. Like, I really like that the part is actually pretty deep. So it's like it's not stopping like right here and it's looking too, you know, beauty supply store boy, but it's looking cute. Like, I like this actually. This is something that I would literally throw on to go to the store. I won't even really need a cap because you can still wear this as a, you know, a lace, as a closure. Sorry, as a closure. The spacing is not that wide inside, but like I said, this is literally a wig that you can pop on and go to the store, do your errands. It's summertime, we don't got time. You see how my hair looks right now? Like, the summer did this. So I'm gonna run my hands through it, see if it has a good shedding. It's a little bit of snagging, but I'm gonna tell you what type of hair this is actually. Okay, so this is a Brazilian deep curly human hair wig with bangs. I'm not wearing bangs, I don't know what that means, but with bangs, glueless bob. So it's a glueless bob, like, period. I like that this is a glueless because I never had a glueless wig before. So at least I get to start out with a closure and not judge them because I never wore glueless. So how can I say, you know, they're not good for you if I never wore them? I just know they definitely have to fit your head, because if they don't fit your head, then duh, it's going to be loose and it's going to be flat at the top. So I'm just happy that this is a closure. So it's like my first time trying a glueless unit and everything. And like I said, this is like a pop on, pop off type of unit. I really like it. I just need to bleach the knots. I really don't even have to bleach the knots, to be honest. I can honestly just put some concealer and call it a day, but I'm extra with it, so I like to make sure that my knots are bleached and everything. It has a little bit of shedding, not crazy. Not a crazy amount where you be like, yo, what is going on? It's a little bit of shedding, but I really love this bob. Like, I'm really feeling this. I'm feeling this whole unit like it's a whole vibe, for real. Like, it's summertime, so I really been feeling curly hair, short curly. If you notice on my snaps, I've been really, or even IG, you've been seeing me with short curly hair because honestly, I don't know if that's in, but my ass do not need to be sweating all back here. I don't need none of that energy, negative energy. Bye. I don't need none of that. I'll show you the inside of it. It's a lace, not full lace, but it's a partial lace. Literally a partial lace. And it's a cap on the back. It's machine stitched, and it has the elastic on the sides where you can make it tighter. It has the little holes here, so you can clip it and make it tighter to fit your head the way you want it to, because it is glueless, so you want to make sure it fits your head perfect. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of this video. Don't forget to click a like, subscribe to my channel before you get out of here. Come join the Emmy gang because it's lit on this side. Share this video with all your friends, let them know about this hair, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.